Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make PDFs using CamScanner. First, open the CamScanner application on your mobile device. You'll find the camera icon prominently displayed, ready for you to tap and begin a new scanning session. Before you start, make sure your document is well lit to ensure the best possible image quality. This initial step is crucial for creating clear and professional-looking PDF documents, setting the stage for a smooth scanning process. Now that you're ready, position your document carefully within the camera's frame. Take a clear, steady photo, ensuring all text is legible. After capturing the image, CamScanner will automatically detect the document's edges. You can then manually adjust these borders to precisely crop out any unnecessary background. Next, choose from various filters, such as magic color or grayscale, to enhance the document's readability and overall appearance, making your PDF look professional. If your document has multiple pages, simply tap the Add button to continue scanning. Repeat the process of capturing, cropping, and filtering for each subsequent page. Once you've scanned all the necessary pages, tap the checkmark to finalize your selection. Before saving, take a moment to rename your document to something descriptive, making it easy to find later. Finally, select the PDF option to save your multi-page document as a single, high-quality PDF file, ready for sharing or archiving. With your PDF created, you can now easily share it. Choose to send it via email, various messaging applications, or upload it directly to cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox. CamScanner also offers advanced features, such as optical character recognition, or OCR, which allows you to extract editable text from your scanned documents. You can also use annotation tools to highlight important sections or add notes. For sensitive information, consider protecting your PDF with a password for added security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.